Welcome to Wow Stock Market. Today we will see strategy number 3. The name of this strategy will be catch the bottom strategy. Yes, you heard it right. Catch the bottom. With the help of this strategy, you can catch the bullish rally from the bottom, which is also known as bottom fishing. Generally, there are very few strategies available in the market for bottom fishing technique. Even if it is available, they are not well efficient. But we have spent huge time in researching bottom fishing techniques. Here we are delivering a proven strategy for bottom fishing, which is catch the bottom strategy, one of the proven and most successful strategy. In this strategy, not only we will catch the bottom of bullish trend, but also we will catch the peaks of bearish trend. We are Suresh and Dilip. We are here to reveal the internal secrets of institutional trading. What are the highlights of this strategy? Usually, most traders fail in trading because they book small profits and let the loss runs. But in the catch a bottom strategy, you will do the reverse. Reverse of what majority of traders do. Why? Because majority of traders fail. So to make profit in stock market trading, we have to do the reverse of this traders method. This strategy also helps us to find the trend in the systematic way. The risk reward of this strategy is very high. Without wasting time, let's jump into the strategy. You are watching the weekly chart of Nifty and Tata Steel. Here we will be using Heikin Ashi candle chart. Heikin Ashi candle is a bit different from normal candlesticks. In any trading platform, you can switch to Heikin Ashi candles from chart types. Heikin Ashi candles are very smooth compared to normal candlesticks, and they avoid noise to avoid fake entries. Heikin Ashi candles are one of the best way to identify the trend. There is no better tool than Heikin Ashi to identify the trend. Uptrend starts when a high of a green candle is broke. Downtrend starts when a low of a red candle is broke. More the continuous green candles, the uptrend is strong. More the continuous red candles, the downtrend is strong. Now you are watching Nifty Daily Heikin Ashi chart. We use higher time frame chart to identify the trend, and to take entry we use lower time frame charts. Here we take entry using daily chart, and to identify the trend we use weekly chart. Wait for a fresh green candle to form and then take buy when the high of this green candle is broke. In this case, the high of the green candle is 8376.75. Take buy entry at 8376.8. When market is in downtrend, it makes only red candles. So when a green candle forms, it mentions the start of the bullish trend. Let's see what happened after we took buy entry. The price has skyrocketed. In this type of continuous up rally, you can take buy at any green candle, it gives huge return. We can name this strategy as money machine technique. For any buy entry, you can keep reward at least 5 to 10 times of the stop loss. Don't trade entries with risk reward ratio less than 1:5. For example, if the stop loss is rupees 1000, the target should be around 5000 to 10,000 rupees. What is the stop loss of this entry? The low of the green candle from which we took the buy entry will be the stop loss. Once this low breaches, immediately exit out of the trade. If you have the knowledge of position sizing, it would be easy to entries. Let's see a worst case scenario. Here we are looking at the Bank Nifty weekly chart. This chart starts with 3 green candles. For example, let's assume that I am a fundamental analysis trader, and I assume that from here the price is going to move up. I would have taken a buy position, then I would have ended in a huge losses. What would have happened if we have applied the catch the bottom strategy at the same place? We would take buy entry once first green candle's high is broke. It would hit the stop loss at the low of the green candle. First stop loss triggered. Next there are 5 red candles, so no new position. Next green candle formed, but its high have not broke, so no entry. Next market crashed with continuous red candle, but we will not take any position here. So now the market have hit the bottom. We are assuming here that the market has hit the bottom. When a green candle forms, we will take second buy entry here. When this high breaks, we will take the buy entry. Even this entry has hit the stop loss. So till now, 2 stop loss has hit. Assume this candle size is approximately 500 points. So till now, we have made 2 losses. So 500 plus 500 points, a loss of total 1000 points. And now again a green candle forms here. We are taking a buy entry at this high. From here, the market has made a superb rally of around 15,000 points. So for 1000 points loss, it has given unlimited profits. We tried taking buy at around 32,000. Then market crashed to 18,000. Catch the bottom strategy helped us to take buy entry at around 20,000 level. This 20,000 level is the bottom. This is how this strategy works. And then the market rally to 35,000 level gives us huge profits. Let's take a look at a bearish trend script. In this case, we have taken S-Bank weekly short. We should take profit with short selling also. Here we would take sell entry when the low of a red candle is breached. Market moves fast when going down compared to going up. We should not miss these type of drastic moves. If you are an investor, at least you should exit once the price breaks red candles low to maintain the profit. Short and sweet sum of this strategy. Find out a strong trend using Heikin Ashi candles. In a bullish continuous pattern, take buy when a green candle high breaks, with the stop loss at low of the same candle and with a 5 to 10 times target. This is the perfect catch the bottom strategy. Catch the bottom strategy is one of our favorites because only by using this strategy one can make unlimited profit. You will definitely have doubts regarding this strategy. Ask your doubts in the below comment section. Subscribe to our channel and learn new techniques from our future videos. Thank you.